After completing 4 years of study in the subject, students are awarded a professional undergraduate engineering degree program known as the Bachelor of Technology. In Btech, we have several departments like civil engineering, computer science, mechanical engineering, and many more. Did you know India has the largest engineering students, engineering education institutes, and infrastructure globally? As of 2021, India annually produced 5 lakh engineering graduates. Therefore, if you are a Btech student, you should be aware of all your options for employment after completing your Btech. Here we are presenting a new video by Simplilearn that will help you to know the career options after Btech. But before we begin the session, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get more interesting updates. Majorly, you have 3 sectors where you can build your career after Btech. That is, the private sector, government sector, and PSU. First comes the private sector. The various privately held IT and non-IT companies that the government does not govern are considered to be the private sector. There are 3 categories in this: technical, non-technical, and core. Technical is the department in IT companies that work on the current technologies and problems like big data, blockchain, artificial intelligence, and many more. 2 types of organizations that come under the technical sector are product-based and service-based. If you are good at coding, data structures, and algorithms, you can opt to build your career with the product-based companies like Microsoft, Google, Goldman Sachs, etc. If you are a person who is good at aptitude and have some basic knowledge of data structures, then you can go for service-based companies like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, etc. Let's know the difference between building a career in product and service-based companies. The major difference is in pay. In product-based companies, candidates are selected based on the demand and requirements, and their pay ranges between a minimum of 7 to 8 lakhs per annum to a maximum of 40 to 50 lakhs per annum. Service-based companies are majorly mass recruiters, and their pay ranges between a minimum of 2 to 3 lakhs per annum to a maximum of 12 lakhs per annum. The second category is non-technical companies which are not related to technology and primarily focus on business. For example, companies like KPMG, White Eyes, etc. hire consulting or management profiles where your major responsibility is interacting with the client. This type of profile primarily requires good communication skills which help you interact with people and build a positive personality. If you are a person who is good at communication skills and presentation skills, you can go for the non-technical companies. The last category is core companies. These companies are highly specialized in their core industries and are highly rated for their skills and experience. These companies offer jobs in the core areas of engineering such as mechanical, civil, electrical, etc. For example, the Tata Industries' most successful and biggest business unit in India hires most mechanical engineering students, and other companies such as Afcons Infrastructure Limited and Punch Lloyd hire civil branch students which majorly focuses on construction. The second sector you can build your career in is the government sector. The government sector is also called the public sector, which includes the public goods and governmental services such as the military, law enforcement, and many more. Some students want to work in the government sector after their Btech or BE, for which they will prepare from the 2nd or 3rd year of engineering. If you are interested in doing government jobs after your graduation, you can take up the following government exams. UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, is the most popular and known by everyone and is a recruiting agency for top-level central government jobs such as IAS, IPS, etc. The next is SSC, CGL, Staff Selection Commission, Combined Graduate Level. This exam will help you become an inspector, sub-inspector, etc. The next are some of the public sector banks, IBPS, SBI. If you are interested in working in a bank, you can take up some IBPS and other bank exams like SBI, etc. If you are interested in developing or innovating and in research, you can become a scientist in ISRO or DRDO. The last sector is PSUs. PSUs is the public sector undertakings. These are the companies where the 51% share is of the government and 49% share is of private companies. Here, you will get the benefits of both government and private companies. In India, you have so many PSUs in different categories like transportation, banking, hospital, insurance, etc. Some of the PSUs are Bharat Petroleum, Indian Oil Corporation, ISRO, BSNL, BHEL, SAIL, NTPC, DMRS, etc. You can visit their website to see the requirements and eligibility and apply for your interested one. If you are interested in higher studies, you can opt for masters in MS, MTech and ME. For MS, you can prepare for exams like GRE and TOEFL or TOEFL. If you are interested in MTech, you can prepare for exams like GATE, JNTU, CET. If you want to go for ME, you can prepare for exams like GATE, TAN, CET. Try applying for a teaching position for BTech, BE or BCA students if you don't have strong coding skills but are a master in theoretical concepts. So till now you got to know the different career options after completing your BTech. I hope you guys liked this video. Do share this with your friends and let me know your career option after BTech in the comment box. For more updates, visit our Simplilearn YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.